Welcome to the channel, The $25 Investor, where we break down how a simple, consistent investment of just $25 a week can transform your financial future. Imagine turning what feels like a small, almost insignificant weekly expense into something powerful enough to build long-term wealth. Most people think investing requires thousands of dollars up front, but the truth is consistency matters far more than starting size. In today's video, we are going to focus on a company that sits quietly behind some of the most advanced technology in the world. This is not a flashy consumer brand, but it is deeply embedded in the backbone of modern innovation. By the end of this video, you will understand how even a modest weekly investment into this company could potentially grow into something meaningful over time. So if you have ever wondered whether $25 a week can really make a difference, stay with me. Because once you see the numbers and understand the business, you might start looking at your weekly spending very differently. Now that we have set the stage, let's transition into how this strategy actually works when applied to a real company. Let's talk about what happens when you take that $25 every single week and consistently invest it into one company, specifically Synopsys, also known by its ticker symbol SNPS. Instead of trying to time the market, guess the next big stock, or chase trends, this strategy is built on discipline. Every week, no matter what the market is doing, you invest the same amount. This approach is known as dollar cost averaging, and it helps reduce the emotional side of investing. With Synopsys, you are not just buying a stock. You are investing in a company that plays a critical role in designing the chips that power smartphones, artificial intelligence systems, data centers, and even self-driving technologies. Over time, as demand for these technologies continues to grow, companies like Synopsys are positioned to benefit. This video will break down exactly what that means for you as a long-term investor, starting with just $25 a week. Now that you understand the strategy, let's take a closer look at the company itself and why it matters so much. Synopsys is a leading company in electronic design automation, often called EDA. In simple terms, it provides the software tools that engineers use to design and test semiconductor chips before they are manufactured. Without these tools, creating modern chips would be nearly impossible. Think about companies like NVIDIA, Apple, or Tesla. Before their chips are physically built, they are designed and simulated using software platforms. Synopsys is one of the key providers of that software. This makes it a critical part of the semiconductor ecosystem. Why is this important? Because the world is becoming more dependent on chips every single year. From artificial intelligence to cloud computing to autonomous vehicles, demand continues to rise, and as long as companies are designing new chips, they will need Synopsys. This gives Synopsys a strong competitive position, recurring revenue through long-term contracts, and exposure to some of the fastest-growing sectors in technology. That combination is exactly what long-term investors look for. With a clear understanding of the business, let's now compare its performance to the broader market. Now let's compare Synopsys to the broader market, represented by the S&P 500. Over the past 3 years, the S&P 500 has grown at approximately 20%, while Synopsys has grown at about 5.72%. In the short term, Synopsys appears to lag behind. Looking at 5 years, the S&P 500 shows a growth rate of about 13.65%, while Synopsys comes in at around 11.51%, again, slightly behind. But here is where things get interesting. Over 10 years, Synopsys shows a growth rate of approximately 24.75% compared to the S&P 500 at about 15.72%. This tells an important story. While Synopsys may not always outperform in the short term, its long-term growth has been significantly stronger. For long-term investors, this kind of performance can make a major difference when compounded over decades. Before we go deeper into the numbers, let's take a moment for an important disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Now that we have covered that, let's continue by focusing on Synopsys growth rates in more detail. Let's take a closer look at the growth rates for Synopsys. Over the past 3 years, the growth rate is approximately 5.72%. Over 5 years, it increases to around 11.51%, and over 10 years, it reaches about 24.75%. This trend shows that the longer the time horizon, the stronger the performance has historically been. This is exactly why long-term investing is so powerful. Time allows compounding to do the heavy lifting. Now that we understand the growth, let's break down how much you are actually investing over time. If you invest $25 every week, your yearly contribution becomes $1,300. After 5 years, you will have invested $6,500. After 10 years, $13,000. After 15 years, $19,500. After 20 years, $26,000. After 25 years, $32,500. And after 30 years, $39,000. This is your total contribution, not including growth. Now let's connect that contribution to actual growth and see what your money could potentially become. After 5 years, your $6,500 grows to approximately $7,302. After 10 years, $13,000 grows to about $37,545. At 15 years, $19,500 grows to around $119,321. At 20 years, $26,000 becomes about $248,867. At 25 years, $32,500 grows to approximately $378,245. And at 30 years, $39,000 becomes about $517,742. Now that you see the baseline, let's explore what happens when you double your weekly investment. With $50 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $2,600. After 5 years, $13,000 grows to $14,605. After 10 years, $26,000 grows to $75,090. At 15 years, $39,000 grows to $238,643. At 20 years, $52,000 becomes $497,734. At 25 years, $65,000 grows to $756,490. And at 30 years, $78,000 becomes $1,035,484. Let's continue scaling up and see the impact of investing $100 per week. At $100 per week, your yearly contribution is $5,200. After 5 years, $26,000 grows to $29,211. After 10 years, $52,000 grows to $150,181. At 15 years, $78,000 becomes $477,287. At 20 years, $104,000 grows to $995,468. At 25 years, $130,000 becomes $1,512,980. And at 30 years, $156,000 grows to $2,070,968. Now let's take it even further with $150 per week. At $150 weekly, your yearly contribution is $7,800. After 5 years, $39,000 grows to $43,817. After 10 years, $78,000 grows to $225,271. At 15 years, $117,000 becomes $715,930. At 20 years, $156,000 grows to $1,493,202. At 25 years, $195,000 becomes $2,269,470. And at 30 years, $234,000 grows to $3,106,452. Next, let's examine the results for $200 per week. At $200 weekly, your yearly contribution is $10,400. After 5 years, $52,000 grows to $58,423. After 10 years, $104,000 grows to $300,362. At 15 years, $156,000 becomes $954,574. At 20 years, $208,000 grows to $1,990,936. At 25 years, $260,000 becomes $3,025,960, and at 30 years, $312,000 grows to $4,141,937. Now let's look at $250 per week. At $250 weekly, your yearly contribution is $13,000. After 5 years, $65,000 grows to $73,029. After 10 years, $130,000 grows to $375,453. At 15 years, $195,000 becomes $1,193,218. At 20 years, $260,000 grows to $2,488,670. At 25 years, $325,000 becomes $3,782,450. And at 30 years, $390,000 grows to $5,177,421. Finally, let's explore the most aggressive scenario in this video with $300 per week. At $300 weekly, your yearly contribution is $15,600. After 5 years, $78,000 grows to $87,634. After 10 years, $156,000 grows to $450,543. At 15 years, $234,000 becomes $1,431,861. At 20 years, $312,000 grows to $2,986,404. At 25 years, $390,000 becomes $4,538,941, and at 30 years, $468,000 grows to $6,212,905. So what does all of this mean? It means that investing just $25 a week into Synopsys can potentially grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars over time, simply by staying consistent and patient. The real power comes from compounding and time, not from trying to get rich quickly. And if you decide to increase your weekly investment to $50, $100, $200, $250, or even $300, the results can become life-changing. In future videos, we will explore other companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, Amazon, and Google and compare them side by side. You will see which companies have the potential to help you build wealth starting with just $25 a week. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss the next opportunity to grow your financial future. Thank you for watching.